Hello and welcome to our focus on Pakistani aviation industry. From its humble beginnings in Orient Airways, Pakistani aviation has come a long way, now with 3 commercial carriers reaching destinations as far away as Europe. Pakistan International Airline remains to be the market leader, both in terms of fleet strength and passenger volumes. However, since the liberalization of Pakistani airspaces in 1993, many commercial airlines also took to the sky, but the ride has been a turbulent one.
According to IATA statistics, airline industry's bill will increase by $61 billion this year due to the high international fuel prices. PIA has recently added as much as $40 on its ticket prices as fuel surcharge. The case is pretty much the same globally. The impact of this on the nascent private airlines in Pakistan is particularly profound.
Terribly. The fuel prices, when we planned the airline, which was in 2003, to now the prices have increased almost 400%. And it's hurting us. It's hurting us badly. And I think it's hurting all the airlines because, the component of your fuel cost has gone up tremendously.
2006, our total fuel bill was slightly less than ₹1 billion. And we are expecting that it's going to cross almost 2.7 billion rupees just on the fuel bill in the year 2008. So you can well imagine that there is going to be a jump of almost 1.7 billion rupees only on account of fuel this year.
Since the cost of doing business has increased so much, mergers and acquisitions have become an all too familiar concept in the world of aviation. This means that the booming airline trade has entered a phase of consolidation.
The heavy taxes levied on international routes has caused new airlines to focus on expansion of domestic networks. But for this, an infrastructure of an international standard is mandatory.
The Civil Aviation Authority has devised an annual development plan costing 9 billion rupees for this year. This includes plans for development of infrastructure and increase in capacity. Airlines are now seeking exemptions in the taxes levied on sectors. This, they say, will help counter the high fuel prices.
I say that rather than giving support to an airline in terms of subsidy or in terms of bank assistance or financial default or government assistance, the government of Pakistan should simply waive off all taxes on those routes where the government of Pakistan wants to support PIA or Shaheen or AirBlue, like for example to Panjgur or Gilgit or to Turbat. The government of Pakistan should say that there is no landing charges, no taxes, no foreign travel tax, no central excise duty, and that is the way, if they really want to help, they will help the masses.
Expansion and destination seems to be the most feasible way that airlines can stay in the game. Currently, Pakistani travelers use Dubai and other Gulf cities as a hub to travel to destinations not served by other national carriers. This means a large potential exists for the domestic airlines.
We are operating 3 flights daily to Dubai. And we're looking at India seriously. Again, the government has opened up and private airlines have been permitted to operate between India and Pakistan.
We have been designated also for various other sectors such as Canada. We have plans to start to India. We would like to start to Dhaka. And now as things are opening up, we hope very soon we'll be going to Jeddah as well, inshallah.
We have seen examples in Dubai, Hong Kong and Singapore where liberal aviation policies have played a pivotal role in helping the local economy to flourish. Perhaps this is a model which Pakistan too can follow.
With news of Virgin Atlantic Airlines and Air Italy poised to start operations in the country, coupled with further deregulations in the pipeline, the golden aviation years of Pakistan are still to come. Asif Hasan Sheikh, Dawn News from the Pakistani airspace.